The Nissan Stagea NM35 VQ25 turbo. I'm going to be taking out the turbo as it's got a whining noise. I'm told by mechanics I've got to take the motor out the bottom and lift the car up. I'm going to try and take it out the bottom. This one I'm going to show you how to do spark plugs, which I've been told by the mechanics that you need to take the head off, which you don't. And take out the air filters from the right hand side. Then remove this hose, unclip, and then you've got your first spark plug. 1, 2, 3. Undo your 10mm nut, and then everything will pop out. Remove your spark plug. On the right hand side, undo your air intake. Let's set that over there for you for a sec. And on the right hand side, you've got 1, 2, 3. And you come around, you'll undo the clips and the 10mm nut here. Undo your 10mm nut. I prepared that earlier. And then this one pops straight out. And then you've got your spark plug, which is very filthy. So, do that to all 3. I'll be back. I'm replacing my sparks with NGK's Laser Platinums Premium. Spark plugs in, coil pack back in. And do your 10mm nut up, clip back on. I'll be back. Do that with all 3. All 3 spark plugs are done. Lift up the coil packs. 10mm, like I said earlier. Make sure they all clip on. Do one by one so you don't miss anything. Now we put it back together. So grab our air intake, connect that back up. Yeah, your hose, little hoses that you take off, clamps, clips, whatnot. Do them back up, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll show you everything that I need to do. Hopefully it helps you. And listen, have a mechanic's telling me I can't do something. Been sitting here for a year and a half. I've just gone, fuck it, I'm doing the cunt myself. He goes, nothing. Thank you for watching. With the intake, I found it easier. Anyway, I should do the first section bit by bit. Well, it's a bit of a bastard to take off, but you're better off going piece by piece and get back on as well. That was a bitch to get back on. But you get them with those 2 still connected. Connect into that pipe first, put that on, then slide that one in. Easiest way. So I've managed to put everything back together how it was. So spark plugs are done on the NM35 VQ25 turbo. Gotta love the beat.